Well, I would like to do things further, but I am advised that I should have a low profile because high profile is not very welcome to some people.
Sorry, who advised you to have a low profile?
Indirect advice.
I'm sorry?
Indirect advice?
From
So
who?
it's common belief that before you retire as a Prime Minister, there is a high-level politician which is under investigation for corrupt practices. But you are believed to have handed over the case to the current Prime Minister. And the fact that the current Prime Minister has anti-corruption tagline to his campaign, and yet after 3 years, this case has never been taken across board. What do you say to such a high-profile case that people keep talking about without naming the name?
This review about 3 years of premiership, two of those people were quoted in the Sun, in the Star, as saying that the promises are good, but implementation is not so good.
So the Prime Minister has a problem with delivery system also?
Yeah, I think it looks like a delivery system problem. For example, all tenders must be, proper tenders must be carried out, but obviously some people are getting projects without any tender.
Tun, is there anything new on the Kubang Pasu issue? Because one of the four who filed affidavits and complaints has been beaten up and has made a police report and all that. So, what's the decision from the Supreme Council or the Lembaga Disiplin UMNO?
I think the Supreme Council and the Lembaga Disiplin are busy because they have not said anything yet. Maybe they are celebrating Raya, New Year, Raya Haji and all that.
And also resulting from the recent UMNO assembly, it has been confirmed in writing that 3 million was given to each kedua bahagian, totaling 600 million. And the money has already been circulated, has already been distributed. In fact, even before the floods in Johor, the money was given out. This has been raised in Parliament, but it was denied. But now there are letters to prove that it has actually been given.
Well, that's what I heard. You see, but if it has been given, it would have been very wrong in law, because government cannot make provision for parties, especially for the government party. You have to give it to everybody. If it is based on constituency, yes, you may not like the opposition to be given $3 million, but you can still give to the constituency, not to the opposition party. And you can give to the government party, government constituencies also, but through the official sources. If it is done not through the official sources and confined only to one particular party, then that will be wrong. It's against the law.